Welcome, here I've got REALME 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have the shutter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and take another picture. And now we can't hear anything. Of course we can turn on sound again by tapping to the right corner and using this button. So for now when I take another picture we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.